Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2018 NSRA Street Rod Nationals, and I came across a 77 Ford Bronco I think you're all gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it.
And for as little as I know about what I cover on a weekly basis, custom cars and trucks of the American origin, I do not know much about Ford Broncos. But the one thing and only thing that I ever claim to know is cool. And that is cool. Well, I mean, the paint is beautiful. For a jacked up four-wheel drive, the stance is right. It's got a perfect look to it, and just done to an incredibly high level. But the paint, the color choice, that is, that's first and foremost. But then carried through underneath, chrome diff cover. Listen to me like I know what I'm talking about. I guess that's what that is. And then you never know. Come to the NSRA event, you never know what you'll see. It's all about year. It has nothing to do with make or brand after that, or model even. It's just about, I don't know what it is, 20 years rolling, 30 years rolling. Go to their website and check out. But I think this thing has probably just been finished from the looks of what it is up underneath there. And again, I don't have much to say. The interior is cool. I can surely relate to that, because it's kind of got a hot rod, street rod look. I think it's got some Dakota digitals there in the dash. But it looks very functional. Again, I think a lot of times these type of builds, they may not go and get all muddy and all rocked up and all that, but I think these people intend to tool them around, because that's really not doing much to them, because they're overbuilt. From what I understand, again, all I know is cool, and yeah, Ford and the Ford, that's always cool, right? Couldn't tell you which Ford it is, but it is a Ford and a Ford, and the way they did the paint in it, and the way the wires are run, it's still very factory looking, but they've cleaned it up. Probably moved the mounts of some things around, because again, hey, what do I know about a 77 Ford Bronco? But I couldn't walk by it. I was like, yeah, this is somebody's pride and joy. Somebody needs to be recognized for building one this nice. And I really dug the color combination, the blue and the silver. So there you go, from the 2018 NSRA Street Rod Nationals, a 1977 Ford Bronco. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.